client on phone.
And the first client on phone was signed with Fawaz. Then he decided to move to the corporate team, from executive to senior account manager. Again, achieving results after results, year after year, supporting great idea, understanding the market. I think he did a fantastic job, and then he decided to take another challenge, moving from the corporate to retail. And it takes a man, big boards, to do this. Have portfolio, client, I mean, people, they were happy, I think, in the Western region when he moved. They had a funnel ready. They had a funnel ready. And فكروني بالغراب لما لسه ميتة كده ولا ملوثة بالسيارة ياخد part of this portfolio. And he started with the retail business. I think he did a fantastic job with the retail business. And now Fawaz decided to move on with his life, find another challenging job. Again, thank you very much, Fawaz. You were a great support to the business. Hope you all the best in your coming life. Please stand up and give a big hand.